Small, let's do fast talk.
Okay. Okay.
Small! Okay. This is the first time I'm doing an interview with Small. Kaya dapat special. Big or small?
Small because
No
I'm
to
small.
bashing or yes to loving?
Yes to loving.
Face card, credit card.
Credit card. Of course.
Maganda, makinis.
Oh, both.
Both or mayaman?
Mayaman.
Mayaman or sexy?
Mayaman.
Spoiled na kapatid, spoiled na misis.
Spoiled na misis.
Boss ni mister o under kay mister?
Boss ni Mister.
Clingy mom or hot mama?
Hot mama.
Kamukha mong artista, sino?
Oh my God! Kring Gonzalez, my best friend.
That's true. Aktres na pangarap mo maka-eksena?
Marian Rivera, I love her.
Oh my God, yes. Aktor na pangarap mong maging leading...
By the way, Ate Shawi rin.
Pwede naman.
Oo.
Abay, napakagaling.
Yeah.
At napakaganda pa rin. So, Shawi, if you're watching, I miss you. Aktor na pangarap mong maging leading man?
Leading man, of course. Sino? Tito Boy, malaki katawan. At si Piolo na lang.
Okay. Singer na pangarap mong makaduet?
Makaduet. Okay. My friend Pops Fernandez and si Regina rin.
Yes or no? Pinakialaman ang phone ni Philip?
Yes.
Yes or no? Nangutang na kay ate?
Yes.
Yes or no? Niloko na ng kapwa vlogger?
No.
Yes or no? Niloko na sa pera?
Yes.
Yes or no? Niloko na sa pag-ibig?
I no.
Lights-
Yeah, a little bit.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Afternoon delight.
I'm small, but I'm...
Terrible.